5 seconds. This group of special leave petitions and transferred cases raise the same issue of law, though the origin of the cases and the paths by which they found their way to this court are different. A brief resume of the facts is called for. Civil Appeal Number 129 of 2003. The respondents are employees of the government of Punjab who retired during the period 31/7/1993 to 31/3/1995. They shout the benefit of a circular dated 13/12/1996 under which the state government employees who retired or died on or after 1/4/1995 were entitled to get retirement gratuity, death gratuity on the basis of addition of certain portion of the dearness pay to the basic pay. This benefit was refused to them. The respondents challenged the decision of the state government declining them the aforesaid benefit by a group of writ petitions numbered CWP number 4995/97 and others before the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. The High Court partially allowed the writ petition and held that such of the state government's employees who had retired on or after 1/7/1993 were entitled to the higher amounts of death gratuity and retirement gratuity consequent upon the merger of a portion of dearness allowance into the basic pay. The High Court, however, refused to grant this benefit to employees who had retired before 1/7/1993. The High Court also directed the state government and its officers to calculate the death/retirement gratuity on the respondents who had retired on or after 1/7/1993 in accordance with the notification dated 13/12/1996. The said judgment of the Division Bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court is challenged in this appeal. Civil Appeal Number 1061 of 2005. The respondents, retired employees of the Education Department of the Government of Punjab, were superannuated during the period 31/7/1993 to 31/3/1995. They also shout the benefits flowing from the order of the Government of Punjab dated 13/12/1996 and shout a higher quantum of death cum retirement gratuity. These benefits having been refused to them, they too move the High Court of Punjab and Haryana by a civil writ petition CWP number 17666/98. This writ petition was allowed by order dated 3/5/2002 following the judgment in CWP number 4995/97. being aggrieved thereby the state of Punjab is in appeal Civil Appeal number 132 of 2003. The respondent in this case were employees of the Punjab government who retired from service of Municipal Committee Malarkotla on attaining the age of superannuation. They retired on different dates but between 31-10-1993 and 28-2-1994. They were paid gratuity in accordance with the then applicable rules. The respondents demanded gratuity in accordance with the orders of the government of Punjab. This would have given them the benefit of increased quantum of death gratuity and retirement gratuity pursuant to the merger of certain percentage of the dearness allowance with the basic pay. This benefit having been refused to them, they moved the Punjab and Haryana High Court by their writ petition CWP number 942/99. This writ petition was allowed by a common judgment dated 3/5/2002 rendered by the Punjab and Haryana High Court in CWP number 4995/97. Being aggrieved thereby the appellant municipal community is before this court. Civil Appeal @Special Leave Petition number 2947 of 2003. This appeal is against the judgment in CWP number 552/99 decided by the common judgment of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in CWP number 4995/97. The High Court of Punjab and Haryana took the view that government employees retiring on or after 1/7/1993 but before the cut-off date of 1/4/1995 would also be entitled to the gratuity calculated in accordance with the provisions of the Government of Punjab order dated 13/12/1996. The respondent in this case is an employee of the Punjab State Electricity Board who had retired during the aforesaid period. Being aggrieved by the High Court's judgment, the Punjab State Electricity Board is before this court by way of this appeal.